Good morning, dear students. In yesterday's lecture, all of you have solved icebreaker activities of very first chapter, An Astrologer's Day. Now today, I will explain in detail summary of the same chapter. Listen it carefully. After listening, open the textbook, read the chapter and note down unknown words. I am deliberately using the word unknown words from chapter for better understanding. Now, an astrologer day. The day has got a significance. It was the day on which the astrologer was relieved from guilty consciousness. The writer R.K. Narayan extended the word with a particular purpose, as it was used by Churchill, that is, everyone has his day. Now here, the writer R.K. Narayan was one of the best known novelists among Indian English writers. His stories are characterized by a simple style and subtle, that is, refined humor. His novel, The Guide, won him the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1961, the most coveted, that is, popular literary honor in India. His writing is distinguished, that is, separated or differentiated by humor and unoffending, that is, socialite. Irony means satire or mockery, a unique Indianness and a simplicity which is utterly charming and authentic. Narayan typically portrays the peculiarities of human relationship and the ironies of Indian daily life. His style is graceful, marked by genial humor, elegance and simplicity. Now this is about the title and the writer. Now I will explain the story of the same chapter, that is An Astrologer's Day. Listen it carefully, you will get easily, as you are the science student, need not to explain much more in Marathi. So I will continue in English. The story begins in the market and the central character of the story is an astrologer, that is Jyotishi. An astrologer arrived in the weekly market at midday. Punctual, he is very punctual. He opened his bag and spread out his professional equipment, such as cowrie cells, a square piece of cloth with obscure mastic charts on it, a notebook, and a bundle of Palmyra writing. His native village was far away from this place, but he had lived here from some years. He used to sit under the tree in the market. He didn't know much more about person's future life. He would tell to each and every client their problems and their solutions. Most of the problems would common to each and every person, so that he would tell near about same solution to all. That is the speciality of astrologer. And most importantly, he was listening to his client for 10 minutes and then reacting to it. The main point is that he didn't know much more about astrology. He was sitting in the market till dark, till at night. There was no any sort of electricity facility near to his shop. He would take help of nearest shopkeeper to being light in the darkness, like groundnut vendor and other shopkeepers. Each and every vendors were tried to go their homes due to darkness. Seeing the darkness, he was also packing his all equipment. Listen carefully. It's a very simple language. While packing his equipment, his instruments, for going to home, in between two unknown persons arrived at his shop. Both were asking to him about their future. Everyone, that is the tendency of human being, that everyone wants to know much more about the future, in the same way that both persons want to know much more about their future. He told them, due to darkness, I can't tell your future, so better to come tomorrow. But they were not ready to listen his explanation. There was darkness in the market, so no one could see the face of anyone. While arguing, astrologer lit a cigarette so that he could see man's face. Astrologer prepared to tell his future after good deal. He told that man, someone tried to kill you by knife, but it is great thing that you survived such a deadly assault. Unless and until you don't go your village, you will face lot of problems. So take the next train and you must go to your village. Man asked him about the person, how tried to kill him. Astrologer answered that he was crushed under a lorry. So both clients felt happy. Astrologer got money from him and he reached his house till midnight. His wife inquired about the reason of his late. That is the tendency or the habit of wife to ask her husband. In the same way, the astrologer's wife also asked the reason behind his late. He gave money to his wife. She felt happy because she has to make some sweet item for them. After dinner, he told the story about the man which had happened earlier. Again, he told the fact to his wife that I am the only person who tried to kill that man or killed that man in the past. I used to drink wine at that time. Today I feel very nice because of the man is not dead, he is alive. He is now not feeling guilty. That is the day, that is the particular astrologer's day. The simplicity saves him, the humor saves him. That's the end of the story. Hope you understand. Now after this, you have to solve the brainstorming activities, or still if you have any doubt or question, ask me personally on my WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Have a good day.